Welcome back everyone to FLIX IT YOURSELF. Let me show you an interesting issue a lot of people have been asking about. Over here you have a hinge over here. Problem is trying to put in the screw and it just turns and turns and turns like there's nothing in it. This guy over here tried putting a longer screw, but it still didn't work. So there's 3 different ways what we do in order to fix such an issue. The first way is the cheapest. It's a match and some wood glue. What we do is we dip it into the wood glue, we put 2 matches, depends how big the hole is. We knock it in with a hammer, and then we put back in the screw. That's the first way. The second way, this is what we usually use, is we just get longer screws. Behind the door, there's another 2x4. Most of the times, if you use a longer screw, all the way in, that's gonna hold. If that doesn't work, or it's a very heavy door, or you don't have a 2x4 behind the door, you can order this on Amazon. It's a kit, I'll show you how it works, and it's very easy to install. This definitely works. The third and last option. You have it over here. We'll try it out with this hole over here. This, you take the match, you dip it into wood glue, this, and you put it inside the hole, hinge the way it was, take the screw. Beautiful. Nothing happened. Now let's go to the second way. Second option is taking a longer screw. It's the same idea. You want to get to the beam behind the door. Going like this. Beautiful. This is the second way. The third option, you have the same problem over here. It turns and turns and turns. See, this guy already put longer screws. Not long enough, but it still didn't work. So let's try the third way. The third way comes with something like this, a drill bit and some screws. Let's try it out. Okay, you take the drill bit and we start where the holes were. We start making big. And 1, and 2, and 3. Next up, you take 1, 2, 3. You take the screws. You take this as well into the drill. I'm going to start driving this inside. I put back the hinge. This, put it back, just put in the screws. This is a very, very strong. Okay. 2 and 3. This is very, very strong. This is never ever going to come off. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful week.